recording started. So, today we are looking into the scale drawing. Where scale drawing is used. Where scale drawing is used. Can you give me an example?
Scale. You're saying like scale drawing?
Yeah, scale drawing.
Like in our science test today.
This book is empty.
Maps. On the maps.
Oh.
Because map represent something that is really big, and the whole country, you can have map of the country on one piece of paper. So there is a certain scale. For example, and there is on each map,
Different measurements of key.
it states what the scale
A key.
is. For example, it might say 1 to 50,000. What does that mean? That means 1 centimeter on the map corresponds to 50,000 centimeters in the reality. What is 50,000 centimeters? What it will be in meters?
50.
How many centimeters in 1 meter?
500.
It will be 500 or 500 meters. So 1 centimeter represents 500 meters. That is a scale that given on each map.
Fuck key measurements.
For example, another example, let's say map says 1 to 4 million.
1 to 4 million.
1 to 4 million. So 1 centimeter on the map represent how many that many centimeters in the real life. How many meters it will be? 4 million centimeters. How many meters it will be?
4,000.
40,000.
It will be 40 meters.
40,
Meter has 100
100,000.
So 40,000 meters, or in kilometers, what it will be in kilometers?
40.
40 kilometers, or 40. So 1 centimeter on the map represent 40 kilometers in reality. Now, for example, let's say distance from in real life, distance from Melbourne to Sydney is 900 kilometers. So Melbourne to Sydney is 900 kilometers.
What?
Now, what will be distance on the map if we have a scale on the map is 1 to 60 million.
I don't get it.
Scale of the map 1 to 60 million.
Wait, what is 900
And
kilometers?
this is a distance. If you listen, you will hear that it's distance from Melbourne to Sydney.
Okay.
So, this is the scale of the map. What will be the distance on the map between Melbourne and Sydney? First, let's turn this into the kilometers.
60,000.
So that will be in meters, that will be in kilometers. So 1 centimeter on the map correspond to 600 kilometers in real life.
So,
How we'll find the distance now on the
1.5.
Yeah, just be a couple
we
centimeters.
divide 900 by
600.
600, and that will be equal 1.5 centimeters. So on the map, distance from Melbourne to Sydney on that particular map will be 1.5 centimeters. Make sense how we have found the distance?
Yes, but can we do one more?
Yeah, and we will do opposite.
Oh.
So we have the distance on the map, on another map, let's say distance from Melbourne to Bendigo, let's say 300 kilometers. 300 kilometers. No, sorry. I have wanted to do opposite. So let's say on the map, distance from Melbourne to, let's say, Albury, on the map.
What's Elbury?
Albury is a town on the border between Victoria and New South Wales. And so often says Albury Wodonga, because it's like one city divided by the river,
Oh, I know.
and the border between Victoria and New South Wales is on that river. And city on one side called Albury, on another called Wodonga. So it's just bridge separate to pretty much, it's
There's
like
another
same
city like
city,
that.
but they consider there's two, one in Victoria, one in New South Wales.
There's another place like that. Okay.
So let's say distance on the map, distance on the map between Melbourne and Albury, let's say is 5 centimeters. On the map, distance is 5 centimeters. What is the actual distance? What are the, yes?
Is it using the same one?
No. A different map. So distance on the map is 5 centimeters, and scale of the map is 1 to
What is the one mean?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter is 1 to
Oh, that's so easy.
let's say 500,000.
Those use times that
What
centimeter by 5.
no, let's say not Albury, because I don't remember the distance to Albury, from Melbourne to some city is on the map 5 centimeters, and the scale is 1 to 500,000. What is the actual distance? Yes.
25 kilometers?
So we turn this into the
It's times by 5.
kilometers. So how many 1 centimeter on the map
5
represent how
kilometers.
many kilometers?
Now you times it by 5.
So 1 to centimeter, 5 kilometers. So the distance will be, how we find, we multiply 5 by 5. 5 times 5, you're absolutely right, 25 kilometers. So definitely not Albury, it's much cooler. Makes sense how to calculate distance on the map from actual distance if you know scale and backwards. Okay, like, subscribe and donate to help save lives.
Yeah.
Why did you